What's up, you guys? Today we're going to be working on the Toyota pickup, and the horn doesn't work, so we're going to see if we could fix this. Pop the hood real quick. First, we're going to make sure that the horn is even connected, which is right here. You can see that the plug is in, so it works. And we were looking up the fuses, and the one for the horn and the hazards is the same fuse, and it was blown actually. We just didn't record that because we're trying to get the hazards to work, and it's this fuse right here. It's a 10 amp fuse, so we got that replaced. Now the hazards do work, but the horn still doesn't work. So I'm gonna pull the plug and I'm gonna power up the horn, see if it works, if it makes any noise. So to pull that plug, I'm just gonna use this pick. And hopefully maybe it'll pull it off like this. Oh, there you go. Got it. I'm just gonna use this to give it some power. The speaker wire. I'll put the ground on the ground side. And the power on the power side. It does work. Okay, so the horn actually works. Now the thing is that the power isn't getting to the horn, and we did some research, and we actually found out that there's like a little pin behind the steering wheel that makes the contact for the horn, and that pretty much it gets worn, so you're no longer able to use the horn once that thing is gone. So I'm gonna show you what that is. So this is the part. This is a little pin right here. It's like a brass pin. That's a part number 84312-20011. It has a little clip and this little pin. So let's go inside the truck and try to remove the steering wheel. So in here we have to remove this cover, and there's a Phillips screw behind this. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's right here. I'm have to back that off and remove it. So once this little screw is out, we could remove this cover. Just kind of like unhook it from there, because it has this little edge. Oh, actually this that hooks onto this. Make sure that this is good. Doesn't look like it's broken or anything. So we have to get whatever this is. Look for a socket that fits this, and then see if we can remove the steering wheel. So it's actually a 19 millimeter. Now this is gonna be the part where we're gonna see if we need a steering wheel puller, which bolts up to these little two holes right here. I'm gonna try to pull it off with two hands. See, hopefully it comes off. So all I did was wiggle it around a bit with some force, and we were able to remove this. So this is the pin that I was talking about. You can see it's pretty much, well, it's not gone, but it is pretty low. So I don't know how to remove it, but this is what we're after. So let me go ahead and remove this cover. It has a couple of Phillips screws and see if we can remove this plastic off to get more access to this. So I just popped this off. There's 6 screws going through it. This thing needs to get washed. Pretty dirty. So the 2 little ones, these right here, they were here in the middle, and then the bigger ones, the other 4, they were on the outside. And this part just slides off. And okay, I see it. So you can see where it moves. I don't know exactly how we're gonna get to that, but let me see if we could adjust this. Okay, I see. So there's like the little clip is in there. So I'm gonna have to do that with 2 hands. Once I remove it, I'll show you guys how I remove this. Alright, so far what we've done is we removed this wire off of the pin. And if you give it ground, the horn actually works. So then this is too short and it won't contact the back of the steering wheel. You can see the difference. Well, let me take it off and then I'll show you guys. But anyways, we're gonna push this forward and then use this needle nose to grab the clip and slide it off. And we should be able to remove this. We got it off. So we just grabbed that little clip. We were able to remove it from this thing. So I'm gonna set it right there for now. And then let me show you guys what this one looks like. So that's the difference. Can't line it up, but shit. So you can see how much is gone on the old one compared to the new one. So now we have to slide this pin, the new one, in. Goes right here. Slide it in all the way. Hold it and then put the new little clip that comes in the kit. We got it in. It was kind of tricky getting that clip in because it's so small and you could only see so much, but we actually got it in there. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go wash these real quick with some soap. And we just spray them down and rinse them, and then we're gonna install these back in here. We got the cover back on. We started with the lower one first, and then we put these 2 little screws that go here, and then we put the top piece in, and then we put all 4 on all corners. So now we're gonna put the steering wheel back on, but we're gonna put a little bit of blue Loctite, just a tiny bit, just to be safe. And we are gonna torque this down to about 26 to 28 foot-pounds. I don't know how important that is, but I kind of don't want to die anytime soon, so we're gonna actually torque this thing down. That goes there, and then it goes back on. Let's see if I could torque it with this. Actually, we need a little adapter to get. We got the nut torqued. We put this cover piece back on. We put the little screw back here, back in. Now let's test it. Now we will have a working horn. That's pretty much it for this video. Make sure to check us out on Instagram at Yonke_OXC Films. I'll leave that in the description down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.